Welcome. Today we are going to see a very simple and useful Blender trick where we can switch between cameras in our scene, and this trick is very useful for animation. So the idea is, you can see in my scene I have two cameras and I want to switch between them in a particular keyframe. For my case, I selected the 100th frame where my first camera stops moving and the second camera starts zooming out. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to go to the first frame, select the first camera and press Ctrl B. You see, if you put your cursor in the 3D viewport, it will not work. So select the camera, put your cursor here in the time frame and press Ctrl B to bind the camera. See, here one marker appeared, and select the second camera, go to your desired keyframe and press Ctrl B. So whenever we go to the 100th frame, the second camera will appear. Okay. So this trick is very useful when you have several camera and want to switch between them. Hope this trick will help you in your projects. So thank you and goodbye. See you later.